go left, you push in the left pedal. Let's do a flight control check before you start flying. That way you get a feel for it. So grab the wheel here, you see down here. So do a full left turn. That's a full deflection. Good. Neutral. Full right. Good. Neutral. Pull it back as far as it goes, or as far as you can. Okay, good. Elevator up. Full forward. Elevator down. Yeah, full left rudder. So slide it as far as you can. Yeah. Full right.
Stiff.
Yeah. It's a good workout on your legs.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Now, one thing is when you take off and you're climbing out, this airplane sometimes tends to pitch up a little too much and your nose is up too high and you start losing your airspeed. So you have to push the nose down, and if you have to get the nose down, I'm telling you, you push it a fair bit and hold it until the horizon comes. What I also recommend for you too is not, because you're not as comfortable as Sergey is in interpreting instruments, it's much better if you fly mostly with your head up.
Okay.
You can occasionally glance down at the instruments, but it's better. Your brain will comprehend what your orientation is better by looking up. And we're not going to be flying in snow and overcast stuff. There's some clouds out there, it's the Pacific, but you should be able to see everything pretty good. And I'll explain to you the flight director system after we get some altitude en route and stuff. Okay? All right. Let's get her going. So feet are on the pedals, hand on the throttle. So what you're going to do is push them up about halfway, stand them up, and then you just press the toggle switch on this side, just with your finger, and then you can release it. I'll just let you put both hands on the wheel. Sergey, I'll call the speed.
Yeah, sure.
Okay? We're ready? Okay, so push the two throttles up together first, manually, before clicking the button. That's it. Hold it there. That's good. And click the button. There you go. And, oh, yeah. Don't worry about it. Just put both hands on it. Okay. Steer with your feet. So just push in the right foot slightly. Just a little bit. That's it. That's enough. Never want to oversteer.
80 knots. Fast. V1.
Rotate.
Rotate.
Pull it up. Start pulling. Now ease off. Ease off. That's it. Very smooth takeoff.
Positive rates. Gear up, please.
Press heading select, Sergey. Start turning right, Ryan. And push the nose down so you can see the horizon a little bit. The hardest part is on departure because you're going up. It's hard to see the horizon. Keep coming right. Flaps up.
Flaps up.
And press level change. Bug up to 250.
250. Yeah.
Okay, start rolling out, Brian. Slowly, turn left. And you see the horizon, right?
Oh,
so
yeah,
just keep looking at the horizon. There's Diamond Head and Waikiki there. Good. Let's just go to heading 120. Over here.
Aviation's nice.
120. Yeah, I want you to just climb a little more, so go up. But always keep the horizon just in sight. And just fly. You can put your feet on the floor now, you don't need them on the pedals. And we'll just get you to do some turns and stuff like that to get used to the feel of the aircraft.
I would suggest to turn off the off throttle because it messes up the sense of the beach. When it's kicking in, you're having the
Can if you want. But yeah, he's doing okay right now. So we're gonna go. Actually, Sergey, before we do that, let's go to legs page. Press play. Put it on the top. Yep. And hit execute. And select LNAV here. Right there.
So I should be going towards the purple.
Yes.
Yes. But remember, look up most of the time. Just check occasionally. So I'm going to explain to you the flight director soon. Start pulling up. You got to climb. And you want to turn right. Now Ryan, these are the flight directors here. Again, I don't want you to be focused too much on it, but the dot is the nose of the aircraft. The black bars represent the wings. The flight directors tell you what you need to do to get on the course. So if it's to the right, you turn towards it.
Oh,
Okay, so you basically find when these dot lines are centered up over the dot, you're right on course.
Okay.
So if this vertical bar is to the right, you turn right.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, set 13,000 please. That's it. Smooth, slow, and small. And press level change. You got to pull up a little bit. You want your altitude to start coming up instead of down.
Here, kind of show.
Yeah, that's because he was descending and we're supposed to be climbing.
Okay.
Anyway, as soon as you start climbing, it disappeared. No rush to get to Maui.
Ooh, what is that, guys?
This green is showing, based on your current rate of climb, this is the point on the flight path you'll reach this target altitude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you pull back more, that's going to come closer to you because you're climbing faster. But that's actually
Yeah,
pretty good. Okay,
now you'll focus more on the
weather's a lot better here than in Toronto.
Oh, for sure.
Do we need to put the liver in the
Yeah.
neutral position?
Yeah.
Should I be climbing that fast?
Yeah, a little bit fast, so you can push the nose down a little bit. Push forward. Be fairly deliberate. There you go. And you see this horizontal bar now? It's right. I hate this pointer.
So that's the
Yeah. Yeah, the horizontal bar commands you whether you need to raise the nose or lower the nose. So if you pull back, that raises the nose.
Okay.
So it's telling you now you need to come right though. Because you want to have these two pink bars centered on the top.
Okay. Makes sense.
Nose up a little bit.
But you know where's your vertical speed, right?
Right here. This shows your feet per minute climb. Go into a cloud now. So start turning left to level out. Turn left to level out the wings. This is the horizon. This is the ground. This is there. Now you're level. Pretty good.
Oh, I was trying to go right to get back on course.
Sure, absolutely.
Now it's telling you, because you're coming onto the track shortly, it's going to command you to come left to pick up the track.
Yeah, it climbs really fast.
Yeah, we're light too. We only have 5 tons of fuel on board. Zero fuel weight's pretty low too. This plane's got a lot of power. Okay, so lower the nose, so push forward. We're coming our target altitude. Push forward. Good. And just come right a little bit. Right, the other right. And keep pushing forward to lower the nose a little bit. There you go. Good. Pretty good. You can see the triangle's almost on the red line there. Here, this is a top-down view, like a map, right?
Oh,
So you're pretty close to the track. Altitude's pretty stable now. One thing to remember, this airplane is actually pretty stable. If you let go of the flight control completely, it's not like the plane's going to go spiraling out of control.
Oh,
Try it.
I'm
Let
way
go
too
of it.
scared.
See? Plane flies pretty stable. You just have to make adjustments. Let the plane do the work. Okay, so pull up the nose a little bit, just because you see you're descending. You want to be at 13,000. Okay, that's it. There you go. Let the plane react. There's a bit of delay. It's a big airplane, and there's a lot of inertia.
well, like this thing moving by itself, like freaking me out.
Yeah, it's just adjusting the speed.
Yeah, you can do it yourself.
You can.
It's even more fun.
Yeah, I don't think I'm there yet. I can really
Turn
stay
left
on
now,
the
Ryan, and bring up the nose. Just gently, gently.
Oh, oops.
Don't oversteer. Pull up. Go back. Go back. And now come right. Stop and turn. Good. Pretty good. Speed, we can actually increase it up to 300. inputs usually require a huge correction. So you just turn that off. Reset MCP altitude. So you want to set down to legs page 3,000 meters. Topic descent's coming up soon already. Just topic descent there. You hit a deck graph, please. And right there. Okay. And ILS2 is 110.1025 course height. We'll use flaps 30, so select the flaps 30 speed. Put it in here. Set your ILS up. Use 110.1 on both sides. Okay, lower the nose, Ryan. So climbing. Keep pushing. Slowly. That's it. Push and hold. Good. And we'll keep pushing a bit. So we actually should start descending. Okay. Now it's coming down. A descent rate of about 1,500, 2,000 feet a minute is pretty good. And 025 is the course. If you can do Ryan's side too. Are you Filipino, Ryan?
I don't know, I get that a lot. I'm from the West Indies.
Oh, are you? Trini?
Yeah, yeah, half. And half one guy.
We get Caribbean Airlines crew here all the time.
Oh,
You look Filipino.
yeah, I get that a lot.
Doing really good, buddy. Just center up those flight directors. Some kids are really good at it. If you can keep those crosshairs centered on that dot, you bang on the money.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, just keep doing it. So a little, if it says right, right. If the pink horizontal bar is above, pull up a little bit. And just do small inputs. Just small. There you go. That'll keep you right on course. Let's reduce the speed down to 250 again. VNAV actually. Look at these. Yeah. Doing amazing. Yeah, that's good. Let's check the Maui weather. Go to menus or hit menu. Sim options. Mentor. PHOG. 040. 16 gusting 22 knots. Runway heading 025. It's only 15-degree crosswind. It's not bad. 10 miles visibility. Few 2,000 scattered. Temperature 21. Altimeter is 3014. 3014. Yeah, on the good side.
Transition altitude.
Speed brakes, please. Speed brakes. Speed's a little high. Raise your nose a little bit, Ryan. Just a bit. There we go. Okay, you can keep the speed brakes up. Just slow down. Are they all the way up? Yeah. Usually you hear them. Raise the nose just a touch, right?
You want to keep these on the center, so a little bit below ground.
I was always just
Just do the flight directors. That works
Okay, yeah,
perfect.
okay.
It works for him. He's doing great.
I think I'll take the spoilers back.
Okay. You can see his track. He's almost bang on the track.
Yeah, yeah.
You can. This little triangle shows right on the line, which is where it's supposed to be.
Oh,
So just do what you're doing, right? Just keep those centered up, those flight directors, and you're we just go.
it's literally like a Star Wars game.
Yeah.
With my dad.
Oh, nose up a little bit. Small. Roll out right. Speed's a bit high.
Yeah, I'm using spoilers. 3,000.
Yeah, so
have to.
pull up the nose a bit. Once he gets leveled at 3,000, then the plane's going to slow down fast. Oh, there you go. There's Lanai. Maui's right there, off in the distance. Okay, level up. So bring up the nose, Ryan. You put the spoilers down there. So speed's coming off now. Beautiful. Let's keep those flight directors centered. Pretty good. We gotta go about 15 miles till we turn final. 02. Hit a net breath. 025. Of course. Auto brakes to 2.
Auto brakes to 2. Where's our checklist?
It's there.
Oh, it's a
Right here.
We can do the checklist. So which phase we are at?
We are in the descent checklist.
Descent checklist. Pressurization. Recall.
So press this plate, hold it until the lights up and release.
Okay. Auto brake, climate, all 24 the speed, landing gear.
Not yet. That's the landing checklist.
Okay.
Oh, landing data, yes.
Landing data we checked and approach briefing.
So right-handed approach. Missed approach is climbed to 3,000 feet,
Yeah.
and it's vectors back to the airport.
Yeah, but for Ryan, I think it means just
He's not going to miss approach. He's going to